Hello everyone, welcome back yet another lecture of SM online class. And in this class we are going to discuss exercise 70 elements book. Okay, so let us start. नंबर 1 करछि प्रूव द फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला में जो इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन जो देथिले प्रूफ करा पे कहिछि. ओके, आमे करबा नंबर 2. नाउ नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन कहिछि हमको डेरिवेटिव बाहर करिवार अछि. सो नंबर 2 अछि y equal to sin inverse 2x. y equal to sin inverse 2x. Okay, so independent variable अछि x. So dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, this is equal to d by dx of sin inverse 2x. Okay, this is sin inverse of x. This is composite function, so it is equal to what? 1 upon 1 minus 2x whole square, that is 4x square, root over into derivative of 2x, derivative of 2x, and 2 is the constant term, so derivative of x with respect to x equal to 1, so it is equal to 2 upon 1 minus 4x square root over. Okay, now question number 3, y equal to cot inverse root x. Okay, y equal to cot inverse root x, and here dy by dx equal to, that is derivative of cot inverse root x with respect to x. Okay, so this is again cot inverse of x, and it is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus root x whole square, this is x, and derivative of root x, this is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, now question number 4, this is y equal to sec inverse of 2x plus 1. Okay, and it is equal to what? This is derivative of y with respect to x, this is derivative of sec inverse 2x plus 1, that is sec inverse f of x. Okay, and it is equal to 1 by 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square minus 1 whole root over. Okay, and derivative of 2x plus 1, this is 2, and derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1, so 2, and 1 or derivative होछि 0. Okay, so this is the answer. हम यहाँ को further simplify करी पारिबा, that is a plus b रो whole square formula put करेगी. Okay, now number 5, y equal to cos inverse 1 plus x upon 2 whole root over. Okay, हम यहाँ को substitution method करी पारिबा, that is x equal to नहीं हुआ cos 2 theta. Okay, ताहले ये कहते हैं जो this is cos inverse 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 whole root over. Okay, and it is equal to cos inverse 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square theta upon 2 whole root over. 2 cancel, cos square theta root over, that is cos theta. So answer is cos inverse cos theta equal to theta. Okay, and theta equal to what? That is 2 theta equal to over cos inverse x. Okay, 2 theta equal to what? 2 theta equal to cos inverse x, and theta equal to what? Cos inverse half cos inverse x upon 2, or half into cos inverse x. So this is equal to half into cos inverse x. Okay, and which is again equal to y dash or derivative of y with respect to x, that is minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square root over. Okay, now question number 6. Question number 6, this is y equal to, it is the most important question, cos inverse x minus 1 by x upon x plus 1 by x. Okay, and if we take LCM in denominator and numerator, we get cos inverse x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Okay, and again it is, we write here cos inverse, যদি আমি মাইনাস কে কমন নবা তাহলে এই হবে কেতে 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. ओके, एमती काहे की करा हला, हमें पुट करि पारबा x equal to tan theta. ओके, x equal to हमें tan theta नेले, so it is equal to x equal to tan theta. यदि हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दवा, this is equal to cos inverse. Okay, cos inverse of minus of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and it is equal to cos inverse of minus of cos 2 theta. Okay, and cos inverse of minus cos 2 theta equal to what? Pi minus cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Okay, and it is equal to pi minus what? 2 theta, and it is further equal to pi minus 2 into theta. यार मैं कैसे लिखी बारी बात, that is tan inverse x. Now find its derivative, that is dy by dx equal to what? This is equal to pi ର derivative होची 0 minus 2 होची constant, tan inverse x ର derivative 1 plus x square. So answer is what? Minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now move to question number 7. Question number 7 is tan inverse cos root x. Y equal to this is tan inverse cos root x. Tan inverse cos root x. Okay, tan inverse cos root x. Tan inverse total टा हिबो कोन f of x, so it is equal to dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus cos root x whole square. This is equal to what? Cos square root x. And derivative of cos root x into derivative of cos root x. Chain ruling chabo, and it is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos square root x into derivative of cos root x. This is equal to what? Minus sin root x, again derivative of root x. This is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so answer is minus sin root x upon 2 root x into 1 plus cos square root x. Okay, now move to question number 8. x square cosec inverse 1 by ln x. Y equal to x square into cosec inverse 1 by ln x. Okay, cosec inverse 1 by ln x को हमें लिखि पारबा केते sin inverse ln x. Now derivative, this is dy by dx equal to what? Derivative of x square into sin inverse ln x. Okay, and this is first function and this is second function. ताले product formula यूज कर देले केते ही हो? This is sin inverse ln x, derivative of x square, that is 2x plus x square into sin inverse ln x derivative, that is 1 by 1 minus ln x whole square into derivative of ln x, this is 1 by x. Okay, तापर यदि हमें LCM ने ताको यदि solve कर दवा, then we get our answer. Now move to question number 9. Question number 9 कहिछि cot inverse y equal to देछि कोन cot inverse 1 minus x square upon x 1 minus x square अछि root over. ओके, याको भी हमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड रे पुट करि पाइबा, दैट इज एटा 1 minus x square root over अछि. ओके, ताहले x equal to नै जिवा हमें sin थीटा, cos थीटा बाय sin थीटा हो. ओके, cos थीटा बाय sin थीटा हला हमें लिखि पारबा cot थीटा. सो x equal to नै जिवा कोन sin थीटा. तो x equal to sin थीटा नेले this is equal to cot inverse 1 minus sin square theta root over upon sin theta. Okay, and it is further equal to cot inverse of eta cos square theta root over, that is cos theta, and this is sin theta. Okay, and cos theta upon sin theta is equal to what? Cot theta. So it is cot inverse cot theta, and it is equal to theta, and theta रा वैल्यू केते यो? This is sin inverse x. और डेरिवेटिव टा है यो, that is y x equal to केते हो? This is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Now move to question number 10. Question number 10, x sin inverse x whole to the power 15. Question अछि कोन x sin inverse x, y equal to x sin inverse x whole to the power 15 अछि. Now y x equal to, this is total f of x to the power n, this is equal to 15 into x sin inverse x whole to the power 14. Okay, into derivative of x sin inverse x. Okay, ताहले next step रे कोन करबा? x is your first function, sin inverse x is your second function. So it is equal to 15 into x sin inverse x whole to the power 14 into this is sin inverse x, and derivative of x, this is 1 plus x into sin inverse x derivative, this is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Okay, this is the answer. Now last question, question number 11. Question number 11 अछि y equal to sin inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x root over. Okay, so हमें डायरेक्ट sin inverse of x पुट करबा. This is dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus, okay, this is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x root over whole square whole root over, this is 1 minus f of x total whole square root over into derivative of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x root over. Okay, and it is equal to what? 1 by 1 minus 1 1 minus x upon 1 plus x root over अच्छी whole square अच्छी. This is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x whole root over into derivative of this one. This is equal to 1 by 2 into root over of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay. Into derivative of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay, and now it is again equal to further equal to this is LCM यदि नवा में this is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay, 1 plus x minus अच्छी minus 1 plus x है वो minus 1 plus x upon 1 plus x. Okay, whole root over and एटा जदि हमें ऊपर को नवा 1 डिवाइड हेकी अछि ताले हमें लिखि परबा कोन एटा जो 2 टा अछि मु कोन करली 2 को हाफ टा को फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर देली आ ये हिबो कोन 1 plus x upon 1 minus x root over 1 डिवाइड हेकी अछि ताले 1 plus x upon 1 minus x root over होबो और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस वन दिस इज डिवीजन इन फार्मूला यूज होबो. ओके, तो डिवीजन फार्मूला जदि हमें यूज करबा ताले ही केते होबो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 plus x. ओके, 1 plus x into derivative of 1 minus x this is minus 1 and minus of 1 minus x into derivative of 1 plus x this is 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. Okay, and again it is equal to 1 by 2 into this is plus 1 minus 1 x plus x 2x and 1 plus x यदि ऊपर को जीवो ताहले 1 plus x upon 2x root over. Okay, and it is again equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x whole root over and it is equal to into this is minus 1 minus x. Okay, and this is minus 1 plus x. So plus x minus x cancel, minus 1 this is minus 2 upon 1 plus x whole square. Okay, so this 2 and 2 cancel and it is equal to root over of 1 plus x into root over of 1 plus x. This is 1 plus x. Okay, upon this is root over of 2x. Now this is root over of 1 minus x. Okay, and this is 2 to हमें cancel करछे minus दे देबा and this is 1 plus x रो whole square. And in next step 1 plus x and 1 plus x रो whole square गोटे कटि जिवो and it is equal to minus 1 upon 2x root over into 1 minus x root over into 1 plus x. Okay, so this is all about exercise 7D. Okay, so in the next class we are going to discuss exercise 7D. Sorry, exercise 7E. Okay, so till that take care and thanks to all of you.